slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we.
Brianamccalip, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Brianamccalip, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianamccalip.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianamccalip, and you're now tuning into a hair video. This is not only a hair video, this is a braided, handmade wig tutorial. This unit is bomb. I'm thinking about keeping this for the rest of my life because it's so easy to put on. It's so easy to maintenance. Like, you could put this in so many styles. Like, this is gorgeous. And like these two things in the front and me just like putting it into like a ponytail. My earring is about to fall off, so leaving this hanging, and then, you know, I don't know, it's just so cute. They up down style, like, oh my god, I would love braids just like this. This is really cute. This is really cute. I would love real braids like this in my head, but y'all know I don't really like putting braids in my head because my hair is like too short and thin. Like, you know, anything that touches my hair breaks off. So this is so convenient for me because I could just put this on my head and I could be on off at the dough. And it's so cute. It looks like it actually is growing on my scalp. I want to show y'all exactly how I installed this, and then the makeup is just so cute with it. I want to show y'all exactly how I installed this wig. This wig is from Fancivivi. I will list their link down in the description right below, along with the link to this wig, y'all. I'm telling y'all have to go look at this wig and add it to y'all cart. No ifs, ands, or but. This wig is bomb. So many styles that you put it in, and it's super long. I know that y'all have been waiting to see this tutorial. Y'all probably like, girl, I'm tired of you rambling. I want to see how this wig applies. If y'all want to see me melt this wig down, keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianamccalip, and you're tuning into another hair tutorial. So this hair company sponsored this video. This is from Fancivivi, and they sent me over this braided wig. In this bag, you get postal cards, well, not postal, but cards on how to keep up the hair, and also a bonnet, a wig cap, and a lace melt band. Also, you get the wig. Okay, that is what we came here for, and that is what we want to see. Baby, this wig is basically past my hips, touching my booty. Okay, so this is the wig. It has this band. I love these type of bands. Oh, I just got excited because it stays on the back of your head. It's not gonna move, and you get 2 combs on each side. And the lace, y'all, it is crazy. It is crazy, realistically bomb looking. Okay, do y'all see that? Do y'all see how long these braids are? And this style is crazy. I love this style on me, and I am going to keep this wig. But stay tuned for this installation. I am back. Y'all probably like, girl, where you been? But baby, we back, and we back with promotions. Okay, so I am here with another braided wig from a company that I worked with before, and it is from Fancivivi. Y'all remember this brand? This is the wig that I will be putting on my head. It is a braided wig, and for this design, it has these loopholes sticking out. So I'm going to tell y'all the exact design for this wig. I love their wigs because, and especially for braided wigs, you know, you don't want to do a lot of maintenance, especially when you're going out of town. And just want a wig to put on your head and not put braids in your real hair. These are so convenient because it's so realistic. They look realistic. I take it straight out the box, and I don't have to do no bleaching or nothing. Put some makeup in it, put it on my head, glue her down, and we are out the door. Do the baby hairs, and if you don't want to do the baby hairs, just keep it wild, you could do that. That is totally you. I'm about to try this on my head, y'all, and I want to get into the details about this wig, but right now, let me actually go put this on so I can see real quick, and then we're gonna get into the details. I just went ahead and put the cap on that they gave me inside the Fancivivi bag, and I am going to melt this cap down, y'all. I love these caps that they send me because it fits right to my head. I don't have to pull the cap down in order for it to fit to my head. These fit perfectly, and I love that. I'm going to cut the ear tabs out. I'm going to spray this cap down with even Wonder Lace Bond. This is the Supreme, y'all. It's going to hold that baby down, and I'm going to let it dry and cut the excess off. Cap. I melted this cap down, baby. When I tell y'all it came out so good, I know this wig about to be good, okay? So let's try the wig on and then like kind of cut. Let's put this wig on and let's cut what needs to be cut so then I could just slap this wig on right away. Okay, so this is the wig right here. You can do that in the back. So like, oh. Do y'all see that? Oh, this is so pretty. Ease. I ain't even put no makeup in it. Okay, yeah, y'all. This about to eat. This is so cute. Let me stop. Let me put it right in the middle so I know exactly where it's at. So the only thing is I have to cut my ears out. That's the only thing. And I probably will possibly have to cut a braid off. So that just sounded so redundant. Probably, possibly. Go cut the ear tabs off and I'm gonna come back when it's time for laying this lace down. Y'all don't need to see that part. I'm just gonna cut it off. And this might be the little tab if I wanted to hang over it, but yeah. Let me go do that first. And then I want to put the wig on and glue it down. I went offline and I had my mom cut the ear tab so that it can fit behind my ears. I don't like when my ears are covered with a wig. Like, no. Cut that ear tab out, okay? I used to do that back in the day where I didn't do that. My wig is slipping back, y'all. And then I cut the lace on the back. Y'all can glue the back of the lace down. I just don't do it because I don't even wear wigs. Y'all know I be switching hairdos quick. So this wig, you know, I don't glue it all the way down. I just glue the front and I just call it a day. Let me go put some makeup on this lace and also my cap, and let's glue this baby down. So I did go ahead and put some makeup on my cap and also the lace. I am also going to go ahead and take some Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. This is the glue that I use. I'm holding my head still because I don't want the wig to come off. I have it in a position that when I put it down, it's going to lay good. So I did also go ahead and take some protector. And then I took some alcohol before I applied this glue so that this melt can be like melted, okay? No lifting, no none of that. Alright, so I'm gonna make this glue as thick within width as possible. So what I mean by that is I want it to be this much, not just on the line, so that the wig can ensure that it lasts all day, all week. Yeah, but I'm not gonna wear this all week. Y'all know me. This tab where the braid is at. So I'm gonna put 3 coats on. Y'all don't need to see me do this so many times, but I'm gonna do 3 coats. Yeah. Went ahead and added 3 coats of glue, y'all. This lace, everything is just melting beyond measures. Okay, so let's put this on. I want to make sure I got it in the middle too before I stick it down. Oh, what that is? No, we can't have that. So it's in the middle, right. Stick it in the middle first, y'all. Once it's in the middle, I go ahead and I start sticking it. Let me see. I'm gonna have my mom come do my baby hairs for me real quick. Yeah. Oh. Make sure you press. See that? No. I just boot that down. Cause what? Y'all can't tell me nothing. Think that while this is drying, I'm going to pluck some of these baby hairs because I don't want my baby hairs too thick. Y'all see how thin they are? I like them just like that. You see how thick? Because I didn't pluck this out. How thick they are right here? Girl, that look like scalp. Chill. Okay, y'all. So before I do my baby hairs, of course, I have to cut my lace. Duh. Girl, I be tweaking. So I think I'm going to cut it in 3. So it's going to be 1. Like that, you know. So I'm gonna cut the middle first. I be trying to get close as possible. Try, don't. Yeah. Whoa. Ooh, look at that. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put some glue right there. Okay, so I went ahead and put my band on just to let it like kind of melt and like settle in for a second. I did go ahead and put some even. That's why I put my lace melt band on. This is from Fancivivi. 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and then that'll be it. When I took the lace melt band off of this wig, y'all, it melted so good. And y'all, my mama is about to slay these baby hairs. I wanted the baby hairs to be thin because I don't like when I have thick baby hairs, and I like to make them look realistic as possible. So my mom was just gonna basically swirl them. I didn't want like no creative swirl. I just want basic baby hairs. You actually didn't have to put baby hairs in here. You could have just left it like they had it, you know, to give it that rugged look. But I love baby hairs. It just make the look complete. And y'all, that is it. I'm gonna meet y'all on the outro. And look, she slayed that. Let me put it back right. So when I say these eight, even the baby hairs 8, I'm about to do my makeup, but it just looks so cute without it. Give me very much. I could wear this to the beach, baby. This is cute. Okay, let me show y'all the details though. This is the details. Do y'all see the knots on this wig? Do y'all see the knots? Those are the butterfly knots. Okay, this is supposed to be a butterfly knotless wig, y'all. And when I tell y'all Fancivivi 8 on this, they did their thing. They ate on this wig. I'm about to go do my face. I'm about to beat my face, y'all. I will not, because it's all about the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm gonna come right back so y'all can see the final look. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed me melting this wig and slaying this wig. Okay, like I said, I really didn't have to do much. Okay, it's already made to be put on your head, and you don't even have to do the exotic baby hairs. You can just like leave the baby hairs like ruffled up, because this wig is just everything. But y'all know I had to come and lay those baby hairs down. I love the style of these braids, and these are called butterfly braids. Oh my god, gorgeous. I love this wig. 10 out of 10, no complaints. It just melted right into my skin. I feel like I could wear this wig so many times. Of how versatile this wig is. But I just want y'all to go in the description right below and check the links. Check out Fancivivi in the description right below, because they definitely slay, and they always gonna slay when it comes to these handmade wigs, especially the braided ones. But they have varieties. You can do twists, braids. Y'all have to go look at the site in order to see which braided wig y'all like. But I have brought y'all 2 wigs from this site, and they both 8, okay? And I really like this one. Like, I'm really in love with this one. Like, I really ate this down. Love how it just fits me. It just fits me. First period. Let me know if y'all like this wig, if y'all rated a 10 out of 10. Of course y'all do. Or let me know what y'all rates on this wig down in the comment section below. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.